Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iachin. Another thing we're watching, FXE, which is a Euro shares ETF, so it tracks the Euro versus US dollar. Again, dollar's been bearish overall recently. You can see that on the Euro run-up, but the Euro's pulled back nicely into the rotation zone. And so this is a way to play it if you were interested in a short dollar play, long euro play, essentially pulling back nicely to rotation zone. You see I have the GAN levels on here. It needs a confirmation move back up. That would be one of our Bollinger Band signals. Again, if you get a close above Friday's high. Not investment advice, not telling you what to trade, just something you can keep an eye out for and watch, combining some of the things we're looking at. Which stop would have to go below the 200 and the 50, which is a really nice stop placement. You can see why we're waiting for confirmation, because it could pull back more, but major support on a weekly basis is right about 105.17. And I think the entry signal would be a close above 106.01. So you could get your stop in a really nice position, and that's why we're waiting for confirmation, because if it keeps pulling back, it could theoretically pull back closer to the weekly rotation zone. That's why we're going to be watching for some confirmation, but it is already had a nice pullback to the daily rotation zone, finding support just above GAN projection level and closing just at the bottom of the rotation zone. So that's something we'll be keeping an eye out. Now, on a return back up, would we be watching for? Well, first key area would be about 107.50, then 107.82. So those would be definite areas, if it triggered, to potentially move up the stops, to start ratcheting it up below. Let's say this turned into the swing low, then we'd be looking to ratchet up our stops, and then watch for a move about 107.82. Doing GAN projections, we'd be watching for 108.72 and 109.62. So those again could be stops or profit-taking areas. That's learning to combine many of the things we teach with the rotation zone and some other entries with some volatility entries based off Bollinger Bands or the percent B. So that's what we have for you in Euro shares ETF, potential long Euro play, short dollar play. That's what we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.